Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes using banana easy method. Start by mashing one ripe banana in a bowl, then add 2 eggs and whisk until combined. Stir in 1 tablespoon of flour or oats for body and a pinch of salt for balance. Heat a non-stick skillet on medium, grease lightly, and pour small rounds. Cook each pancake 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and serve warm. Whisk gently for tender pancakes and avoid overworking the batter. If you want variety, fold in 1/4 cup blueberries or chopped nuts for texture and extra flavor. For thinner pancakes, add milk a teaspoon at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Maintain medium heat so pancakes cook through without burning. Use a measuring scoop for uniform sizes and stack them on a warm plate while finishing the batch. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold or hot, fits cup holders, and saves spills while juggling pancakes. It's a handy kitchen companion when flipping and serving, and it makes staying hydrated pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Serve banana pancakes warm with fresh fruit and a light drizzle of maple syrup for natural sweetness. Add a spoonful of yogurt or a smear of nut butter to boost protein and create a creamy contrast. If making a large batch, keep finished pancakes in a low oven to stay warm and avoid sogginess. Garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon or lemon zest for brightness and enjoy right away for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.